American lawmakers have urged the White House to lift its suspension of military aid to Egypt, warning that freezing funds and weapons deliveries could unravel decades of cooperation and relations with a key ally in the Middle East. Democratic Representative Eilot Engel, a member of the House Foreign Affairs Committee, said he did not believe the aid cut would make the Egyptian government more democratic or easier for the US to influence. Republican Dana Rohrabacher added that the people we're applauding for defeating radical Islam in Egypt, we're leaving them hanging out to dry. The US earlier this month held back some of its $1.5 billion a year annual aid to Cairo in response to the July 3rd coup, which removed Islamist President Mohamed Morsi, and the bloody repression of the Muslim Brotherhood supporters that followed the ouster. Israel has also expressed concern after the United States cut aid to Egypt, fearing the move could upset the power balance in the region. Egypt and Israel have been at peace since they signed the 1979 Camp David Accords, and Israel considers US aid to Egypt, as stipulated in the agreement, to be important for regional stability. The Obama administration has said it will review the aid freeze as Egypt's military-backed government moves along a political roadmap back to inclusive, sustainable democracy. Critics fear that the delay will allow other players to replace America's influence, including the Gulf states who have already loaned Egypt billions of dollars to keep its struggling economy moving. The Obama administration's policy towards Egypt has even led some critics to pose conspiracy theories, including the US president being in league with the Muslim Brotherhood.